Welcome to Study with Flow. In today's video, we are going to learn about one hot encoding. Now, what exactly is this one hot encoding? One hot encoding is a process by which categorical variables are converted into a form that could be provided to the machine learning algorithms to do a better job in prediction. Basically, it is a process of converting non numerical data into numerical data. Why is it important? Because our computer only understands numerical values. It fails to understand categorical values. Hence, it is highly recommended to convert all our non numerical data into numerical data. Now, let us begin by first importing the necessary libraries. Import NumPy as NP, import pandas as PD. Now, in this, I am going to use the same data set which I had used for missing values, handling outliers. That is the cars data set. So now, let us import the cars data set. So we have imported our data set. Let us look at the head of the data set. Right now, we have got familiar with this data set. Now, let us check the info of the data set so that we understand which are the columns which are non-numerical and which are the columns which are numerical. So, df.info, let's check. So, our sibling is numerical. Normalized losses, make, fuel type, body style, drive wheels, engine location is non-numerical. Width, height is numerical. Engine type is non-numerical. Engine size is numerical. Horsepower, we have seen that horsepower was actually numerical, but we had some missing values in it. And city MPG is again numerical, highway MPG price are numerical. Now we have to deal with all these non-numerical data. Now let us first see how fuel type looks like. Let us see what are the components in fuel type. How do we do that? df fuel type dot value underscore counts. Now we have two types, that is gas and diesel. So we have 185 cars which belong to the gas category and 20 cars which belong to the diesel category. Now, how exactly does